All right.
Oh, I need a car.
Need a what? Okay.
Oh.
Oh my.
Hi.
How you guys doing?
All right.
My name's Bob. And
Louder.
my name's Bob. And I was told I'm going to be answering some questions. Anybody want to ask me?
How old are you, Bob?
I'm about 13.
Do you have any hobbies, Bob?
I like swimming. It's kind of fun.
Swimming.
How do you
Now-
swim?
Let's get dive in.
And then you just kind of bob?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it. So, any more questions?
What's 2 and 2, Bob?
6?
Can you whistle, Bob?
Can you touch your nose with your tongue?
Well, let's kind of stretch it out and narrow it
Your
out.
nose, Bob.
I know.
Okay, let's see a big smile, Bob.
Hey, Bob, do you have a girlfriend?
No.
Can you sing us a song, Bob?
I know.
Twinkle? Can you sing Twinkle?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Yeah, that's a very nice song, Bob.
Up, what? Above the world, so high.
Are you in pain, Bob?
Bob, it looks like your mouth is stuck.
You sure you feel all right, Bob?
Yeah. Like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are.
There you go.
All right, Bob. Nice song. Very
Let's
nice
see a
song.
frown.
Anything else you want to say, Bob?
Are you in school, Bob?
No.
Have you got a job?
Yes.
What do you do?
Are you doing the tour circuit, Bob?
Yes.
Oh.
What's your favorite city so far?
Murfreesboro.
Can you imitate a chimpanzee? How a chimpanzee sounds?
No. Hang
Here, we got it, Bob.
Oh.
Oh, blood rushing to your head.